Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. Guess what? YouTube monetization rules are changing in 2020 and this time it's actually good for small creators like myself and maybe you. Before we jump into the video and look at all the changes, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon and also like this video. All right, now let's look at this. So here's the email that YouTube sent a couple of days ago. Upcoming changes to the mid-roll ads. So the changes are happening to the mid-roll ads. What are mid-roll ads? So YouTube has pre-roll, post-roll, and the mid-roll. Mid-roll ads are the ones that you see in the middle of your videos. So let's look at this email real quick. So these changes will make more videos eligible for mid-roll ads. So your income potential, your monetization potential as a small creator, as a small YouTuber, is gonna increase. So that's something that I agree with. And what's the actual change? Here's the actual change. So today, if your video is longer than 10 minutes, only then you're eligible for mid-roll ads. But at the end of this month, which is July, videos longer than 8 minutes will be eligible. So the eligibility requirement is changing from 10 minutes to 8 minutes. So that way, more of your videos on your channel are gonna be eligible for mid-roll ads. So more ads mean more money for you as a small creator and also for YouTube, right? So here's a couple of other things. This means videos when you may have opted out of mid-roll ads will now be opted in. So you're automatically opted into this, so meaning after July 27th. So July 27th is the date, which is right here. If you want to opt out of this, I'll actually show you in a second where to go and opt out. I don't know why would you, because I think it is definitely going to increase the monetization potential of a small YouTube channel. So, but if you do want to opt out of this change, I will show you how to do this. And you still have the option of, you can let YouTube automatically place the mid-roll ads, or you can go to individual videos and pick the spots where you want to put the ad. So you can do that as well. So this is the main change and it's happening on July 27th. If mid-roll ads are not good fit for your videos, you can indicate this preference in your YouTube studio by July 27th. So let's jump right into the studio and let me show you where that setting is. So here we go. Here's my YouTube channel. And what we're gonna do is click here and then go to the YouTube studio. And then scroll down and you wanna find the monetization option, which is right here, or setting. When you click on that, here you're gonna see something like this. So to help increase your monetization potential, we're updating mid-roll ad eligibility and preferences. You can change your preferences by July 27th of 2020. So you can click on this, open preferences, which I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but there's an option called open preferences. When you do that, so look at this. So right now I have opted in. I want to increase my monetization potential with mid-roll ads automatically. Placements can be manually adjusted later, or if I want to opt out, I would click on this. But I do want to stay opted in. I want to make more money from YouTube ads, right? So I'll hit just save, and that's it. So that's a huge news from YouTube, and I do believe for small YouTube channel, my channel is still fairly small. I think it's a good news because it will increase the monetization potential for my channel and also other channels. Instead of making videos that are 10 minutes or longer, and now the videos that are 8 minutes, they will be eligible for more ads and more revenue and more profit or income. Now, I do want to show you one other thing. A lot of people don't do this, but you can turn on monetization by default on your channel. So how do you do this? It's actually very simple. From your YouTube studio, you're gonna go to settings, which is right here. So we were inside monetization. Instead of that, go in the settings and you wanna click on upload defaults and then monetization, and make sure you have mid-roll ads enabled from here, because this is your default setting will be monetization turned on. Some people don't have this on and then they have to do it manually for every single video, but you can make this your upload default from your settings menu right here. If you have any questions about YouTube marketing, making money on YouTube, YouTube monetization, maybe for small channels. Leave those questions below in the comments. And also, before you go, you know what to do, right? Subscribe, hit the bell icon, also like this video. I am going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.